What's up, Wagwan? My name is munchi3lou and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different. Today I will be putting on makeup for the first time in 6 months. This almost became the first time for 2020, but then I remembered sometime in February, I went on a trip and I wore makeup. So not the first time in 2020, but the first time since then. So the first time in September. Wait a second. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. 8 months. Did I do that correctly? For the first, I'm putting on makeup for the first time in 8 months. Also, my face overall is not so bad right now. However, if you guys can see right here, I have a little bit of a scar, and that's from using, you guys remember the last video?
Oh, I'm about to pass.
Yes, that one. I used the face wax strip right here. And girl, I don't know if you can tell, but my face is up. So yeah, I would definitely not recommend you trying that. Just saying. Anyways, that's not what we're here for. Also, while I'm doing my makeup, I will be just going ahead and telling you guys a little bit more about myself. So if you're interested in watching me do my makeup for the first time in 8 months, and learn a little bit more about me, then keep on watching this video. Okay, so I brought you guys a little bit closer just so you can see what I'm doing. The first thing I'm going to be doing is this lip scrub, just to get our lips prepped and ready, girl. Hello? I mean, is there anybody in here? Like, oh. Got it. I hope I'm talking loud enough. For my last video, the audio wasn't so good. I'm so sorry about that. I don't know why, because some people said they could hear perfectly fine and then others said it was really low. And now we're just gonna wipe it off. So if you were one of the persons that had an issue with the audio for my last video, I'm sorry. All right, now we're just rubbing on some Vaseline, just so our lips aren't dry while we're doing our makeup. Not a lot, just a little bit. The first thing I usually do when doing my makeup is do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this. Can you see it? So we're just gonna fill it in real light. I like me some dark brows. Oh my gosh, you can see my teddy in the back. Oh my goodness, is it gonna rain? I don't mind having some bushy ass eyebrows. That's kind of like my thing. That's okay. I think that's okay. Now let me tell you something. If you don't think that carving out your eyebrows make a difference, trust me, it does. This is my concealer. Just a regular pro, whatever you call this. And I just dab it right here. I hope I don't look crazy. So we're gonna put on some primer. Oh, my poor face. Look how red I am. Oh, and this was the primer that I used, by the way. Okay. It's just a regular primer. Drugstore primer, girl. Nothing special. Now we will be putting on my foundation. This is Black Opal in the color. I have no idea. So, will this color fit me for not wearing it for 8 months? Am I the same shade as I was 8 months ago for not leaving the house for basically 8 months? Highly unlikely, but we're gonna see. This is how I usually put on my foundation. Pump it on the brush. Oh, this is can y'all see this? I like doing this because it feels like I'm painting. Wow, I look so red. It looks scary at first, but just trust the process, girl. Trust the process. Now that that's done, I'm going to take my sponge. Ugh, yo, I'm stressing out. My face is falling apart. Now we're gonna put on some concealer under our eyes. So, why did I make a YouTube channel? I've always wanted to make a YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure that's everybody. But, you know, it is the truth. I've always wanted to make a YouTube and I've just never gotten to it. You know, things come up, and also just doubting yourself and feeling like, oh, if I make a YouTube video, who is gonna really watch me? Who's gonna sit down and watch me do anything? You know, I'm pretty sure everybody has that or goes through that at some point in their life about whatever it is. So now we are going to set our face. All right, let's see. I've never used this before. Set in the under eyes and on here, because that's where we put the most. Girl, I don't know why we do it, but we doing it. What I just used. I don't know. I see people using it, so I was like, let me try. Me starting a YouTube channel is more of a challenge to myself, just to prove to myself that I can start something and finish it. I don't know if I'm the only one. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who. I have no problem starting something and, you know, getting really excited about it and, you know, doing really good at it up to a point where I just stop. It's something that I don't like about myself. It's one of my qualities that I don't like, is that I just stop things for no apparent reason. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this. It's a foundation stick, but I use it as a contour. But yeah, this is kind of like just a personal challenge to see me do something that I want to do and stick into it. Just to prove to myself that I can do it, and also just to get over my fear of just putting myself out there, just challenging myself that I can do it. That's really what this is. It's really just I can do it, and I'm gonna do it. That's it. Supposed to be using, but 1 hour. Oh, girl, y'all see that? Don't do that. Now let's go to the eyes, my favorite. Should I zoom in? All right, what are we gonna do with our eyes today? So usually when I do my makeup, I go for a very peachy, brown, orangey tone. So that's what we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna be using this one. Girl, this is a cheap palette from Amazon. It's really pretty. Is it quality? Now that's another question. It's pretty, but is it quality? We're gonna find out. We're gonna be using this brown right here. Now, what type of content do I plan on uploading to my channel? Now, my main goal is to create content I love watching. So I wouldn't create anything that I wouldn't watch myself. With that being said, I don't think my content is going to stick to a specific category because I like watching a lot of stuff on YouTube. So I like watching reaction videos, I like watching hauls. So I think my content or whatever I create is going to reflect that. Girl, you couldn't tell me that I was going too high. I can't even see with this little ass mirror. It's between these two. What do you guys think? 1 is at top, 2 is at the bottom. Comment down below. Guess which one I'm gonna pick. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, what's that? This one? 1. We're going with 1. Yeah, so with my videos, they're really going to reflect who I am. Like, I'm not just one thing. I don't like just one thing, so I don't think I'm going to be creating just one type of videos. So this is the palette. How pretty is this? There's summer, so we got the spring, we got fall over here. It's really pretty, really cheap. I like that. I like to take an eyeliner and just follow my eyes just to, what's that word? Girl, to highlight my eyes. Now we're gonna go back with that this powder. Ooh, I'm pretty sure that was way too much. How the hell y'all do this? Listen, this is why you need to stick with what you know and don't try stuff, because I don't think I'm doing this right. Do we press it in or rub it off? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This is the mascara that I use. I love this mascara. If you want your eyelashes to look super duper long, I recommend this. I'll just put it on like this. I usually have a brush, but I don't know where it is, so. I mean, I use it in 8 months. And then I'm gonna take some highlighter and just rub it on top of my Cupid's bow right there. Ta-da! What do you think? Not bad. Not bad for somebody who hasn't done this in a long time. I just want to take this time out to say, for anybody who's watching this video and who has watched my previous videos, thank you so much. It's crazy that people are actually watching my videos, but I know you could be watching a million other people or doing a million other things. So just that you take a few minutes out of your day to actually watch my video and to like my video or to comment. Thank you. So is this the part where I do the slow-mo videos that the YouTube girls be doing?
Oh, say less.
Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content by me, and also follow me on Instagram if you want to. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If anyone's out there, bye!